Hey, what is going on, everyone? Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the live stream. What's going on? Shout out to everyone. Shout out to everyone on this fine Saturday. Hope you've touched some grass. Hope you've touched some grass. Hope you guys are doing well. My mind went to another place, but yes, hope you're touching grass and feeling the nature, and also stepping away from the charts a little bit. I'll tell you guys, you know, I think all this price action has gotten everyone super like energetic, and I bet it's probably been hard for people to sleep, and so I want to say that it's okay to step away from the charts a little bit, take some family time, take some time to meditate, breathe, because guys, this is just like a taste. This is just like a little tiny taste of what we're going to be seeing. I mean, we might not be able to sleep for a week when we start seeing Bitcoin break 100K. So this is all just training and a test. And guys, we need to hit up the like button. We need to get more people in these streams. I'm telling you, you're sleeping on Dano Crypto. If you're not in these live streams, if you're not getting notified immediately when I go live, then I don't know what's happening. I don't know if you're using your phone right or if you're using YouTube right. But when you see my face pop up, I suggest you watch it. No, you guys can watch whoever you want, but welcome to the show, welcome to the channel. We are having some fun here, so we're gonna get into the daily charts of the altcoins. We've been wanting to watch. So if you watched my video that I released today, I talked a little bit about, you know, the recent sideways price action for Bitcoin. We talked about the altcoins that are actually doing well on the retrace, and a lot of them are AI coins and meme coins and gaming. So there you go. There's your three narratives you want to watch out for pretty much, I think, the bull market in general is gaming, AI, and the meme coins. So people think, okay, yes, we have you know, dog with hat, we got whiff, and we got all these new meme coins coming out in the space. And what that's telling us is, okay, yes, we have these new meme coins, people are buying them, yes, but honestly, what do you think people that don't know DeFi, they don't know how to go into Solana, they don't know how to use a DEX, they don't know how to do any of that, they just want to buy something on Coinbase or whatever app they're using, crypto.com. And I agree. Shout out to Lake the Great. AI is gonna go absolutely insane. Yes, once we figure out like what type of AI people are gonna want to use and how, and make it easy for people to use, like AI coins and AI services need to be as easy as just like what Grok or ChatGPT is doing, where, you know, you sign in with a email password and you get to basically onboard and use their services. So we'll see how they do. I have to do more research into things like Fetch AI, because Fetch AI is one of those coins, AI coins and narratives that is going absolutely parabolic. What's going on? Shazzy CH, shout out to Shazzy CH. What's going on? Hope you're doing well. I'm doing well. We're just doing a little market update here. We're gonna go through the trades. We're gonna talk about a couple different coins, and we're just gonna have some fun. I hope everyone is doing well. If you haven't done the housekeeping yet, and hit the like button and share this to Twitter and X, because that helps for more people to come in. It lets your friends know that you're watching my channel, and they don't miss on the altcoin updates, and they don't miss on any updates and things that we are talking about. And awesome, yes, love from Pakistan. It's amazing. It's so cool. I love that we get people from all around the world watching this channel. I do have to give credit to, you know, when I went on the Moon Show, the people from all around the world watched the Moon Show on Carl's channel, and it was a great opportunity to get my face into the world. So thank you. So hope you guys are doing well from around the world. Let me know where you're watching from. And let's see how many people we have in here right now. We have 3 people. We got to get more people in here, guys. We have, let's see, we've been having a lot more people watching on X recently, where we had about 12 or 13 concurrent viewers on X. YouTube is kind of slacking, but we'll see what happens. We'll see. I think people are just doing their thing, you know. And also, I might be shadow banned because I talked about Trump, so that might be also a thing. So you can't say the T word, I guess, because the algorithm will ban you. You'll just get shadow banned. So that is possible. So help me get unshadow banned, guys, and keep getting some people in here. Let's get the likes up. Let's look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, you see, we were in a ascending wedge. We broke out of the ascending wedge and got rejected off of the 70,200. We broke all-time highs, and we tested and broke that previous resistance, 2 different resistances, but then then obviously we got rejected. But the thing is we keep getting these V-shaped recoveries right here. You know, these V-shaped recoveries are posing sideways action to be able to blast off into these prices where we're going to start retesting again. And we have to see if there's volume coming in. We got to see that money flow. We got to, you know, obviously that money flow started to creep up and come in, and then it dropped. Now we're just sidelining. We're basically just trading sideways. We're just fully trading sideways right now, and that's okay. Because what that does, I think, is it gives an opportunity for the altcoins to catch up. And, you know, for instance, like we got Metis catching up now, getting back up into the hundreds. We had a nice dip on Metis where we went down to the $70 ranges again. This was just recently. If you want to look at the Metis chart, we took a nice little dip. We were here, and then now we're pushing back up into those levels. It looks like we could be forming a bit of a bull flag for Metis and pushing up and trying to retest those levels right here. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna change up the mix. I am not liking this. It started good at first, and then I do not like it anymore. We're just gonna get some little classic little drum and bass. Oh man, I'll tell you. So what you need to do, how you can control your emotions, is know that you have your trades protected. So if things are pumping and things are going crazy, like for instance, like, okay, Shazzy CH is asking a very good question. Shazzy CH just asked, how do you control your emotions while trading? It is hard, but you can do it. That's good. Yeah, Lake the Great. So basically, how I have been able to control my emotions is to, one, acknowledge them and name them. Are you getting anxiety? Are you getting angry? Are you getting frustrated? Is it actually giving you a physical feeling when you're doing these things? Because that will teach you a lot about yourself too, about your life, how you interact with others, how you take certain situations. Like trading is crazy. Trading has taught a lot and revealed a lot about how I really do react in certain things and how I react in life. And I'm a bit middle ground. I'm not too extreme in one way or the other. And that's the thing, how you can identify yourself in trading, is that like you don't want to be one extreme to the next, because if you're too extreme in your thesis and you get invalidated and you go hard on your thesis, still don't know when to switch and go bullish when something's bullish or go bearish when something's bearish, then you're going to get wrecked. And so there's that. There's also a plan and strategy. So if you have a plan and you have a strategy and you stick to it and you realize that over time that strategy has worked for you, then you know that strategy can be profitable, and that once you deviate from it and you start seeing negative results, then you know the strategy and plan that you implemented worked. And that's what I've noticed, is that, okay, and that can help control your emotions, because then you feel more confident in your plan, you feel more structured, and also setting time limits and times for when you're trading and when you're not. Things are just going absolutely insane. I mean, obviously you're going to go to the charts, but there's sometimes it's just good to just have some cash on the side and just watch the market, see what's happening. You might end up thinking, okay, I'm going to put in an entry right here, and it completely does the opposite of what you're thinking. So it gives you a little bit of time to look at the charts, see where the market's going, see, okay, some money flow coming in. We got some good bullish signs using some key indicators like the MACD, the RSI, the Bollinger Bands, and looking at the volume and news. So you got like 5 different things, easy things that you can look at for a trade. But then with your emotions, setting stop losses really, really help your emotions to be able to say, okay, if this trade does not play out, yes, I lost the potential profits, but I didn't lose the initial entry that I got in. So then what I do is when I get into my entry and I'm seeing, so these entries right here, for instance, Doge and Solana, Yes, I'm in Pepe. I'm 100% in Pepe. I don't have a big, and I'll tell you, I'm going to be completely transparent. I have no spot Pepe. I used to have spot Pepe. I sold it when it was breaking out previously in last year. I'm leverage trading Pepe, and I think I'm obviously going to make more doing that. But I think I'm still going to build up a Pepe bag. I might, when taking profits, start building up a Pepe bag just to have as a as a hedge play. But to get back on the emotions, because really setting those stop losses help you, and setting take profit levels, because then you are, some people have different strategies. Like me, like I have been setting my stop losses at 0 sometimes. I've been setting them at 10%. I've been setting them at sometimes at take profit where it's lower, so then at least you're leaving with some. Then you can get back in and see where it goes. And I don't short very often. I don't like shorting the market. I want all crypto to go up. Why would I want to short the market? Yes, swing trading, day trading, you can short the market. Yes, it can make you money. Of course, you could have shorted 70K. I could have shorted 70K. I could have shorted the top at 69K. I watched it 2 times. But that is not my strategy. That is not my strategy. So it's completely different. I waited until we had a clear signal of where we were going to bottom, and then I put in some limit orders there. And then I took profits at the top, but then, so there's all kinds of different strategies and different ways you can do it. Helps your emotions. See, for instance here, now that I'm up in profit in Doge and Solana, once I got in my entry, I immediately set my stop losses to break even. And then if these trades start to go south, I can take profits on the way down, and then eventually it'll stop out and get broken to 0. And that, my friends, is the key strategy for keeping your money and trading. I've done it where I've been liquidated and I haven't protected my trades. I just jumped in with no confirmation. You need at least 3 confirmations if you're going to be jumping into any type of trades. And just to give you warning, even if you get those 5 confirmations, however many confirmations you're going to get, be prepared that if the market decides to give breaking news about something, either it being positive or negative, just toss that shit right out the window, because then doesn't matter. Like, that's where any market can get manipulated by news, by events, world news, anything at all. And so you have to be prepared when you're investing, and you're investing with money. You need to be investing with money that you are fully okay with losing every single dime of it. Every single dime can go away, and you have to be okay with that. You have to be okay with that. And if you can be okay with it now, you'll be okay when if it happened. I'm not going to say when, because we don't want that. We don't want that to happen, but we just need to know and not be naive in thinking that there's not a risk in investing. So, all right, so what is the Pepe price prediction? So Sutrinzo Devet, that's a tricky one to say. Okay, so my Pepe price prediction is kind of tough, because, I mean, if you think about it, we've already broken completely smashed all-time highs. So we're in Pepe price discovery mode. So Pepe has how many zeros now? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros sitting at 887, okay? So sitting at 887, I mean, I don't know, like, it's so hard for a Pepe price prediction. Look, we're in an uptrend, obviously, on the 4 hour. So if you're looking at the 4 hour, and we have money flow still coming into Pepe. The histogram on the MACD, if we're looking at the MACD, and we're looking at where we are in reference to the actual crosses here, we could be switching up to be moving a little bit downward to maybe test a little bit of those lows here. And we can do a volume profile range. Oh no, did my subscription go out? Oh, my subscription went out. Darn it. Okay. I'll have to re-update that. Okay, so if we're looking at value area low, I mean, we would look at these lows right here. But really, I mean, Pepe's it's doing well, but it's losing a little bit of the volume, but it still has money flow coming in. So I would say price prediction in the immediate short term. I mean, I could just, what do you want me to say? It's just going to keep going up, I guess. It's just going to keep going up. I mean, look at the damn chart. I mean, it's insane. I mean, people were fading the Pepe, but then on that leap day, really set it off and leaped it like 100%. It was almost like it was programmed in. It was almost like it was programmed into Pepe to leap in price massively. So I don't know, but yeah, I am in a Pepe trade. We've already realized $600, almost $600 in profit on Pepe. We've kept this open long. Our entry is absolutely gorgeous. We have an entry on Pepe. I'll show you guys. We have a Pepe entry literally right at the perfect entry. We got it right before the blast. We got it right before the blast. We knew, we saw it. We were looking at the chart. You can't look at a chart like that and think, oh, it's not going anywhere. No, it's going to blast. So that's why I put in the trade. I did the same thing with SHIB and Doge because the charts were looking bullish. And so that's why I have these trades open. I've realized the profits, and I've put those in my DCA bags and used it to trade. I will say, I wasn't 100% in preserving all of those profits. There are orders and plays that I was trying to get in that I think invalidated. And I'll say I went against my plan. I went against my strategy, and I got liquidated. I mean, let's see. It's the March 1, 2, 3 in March. Okay, so just this year, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 liquidations. Okay, and that probably is in total of about maybe $300 to maybe $350, $400. So, I do both. So my strategy is that I do both. So I like doing a combination of both. I think it's good to do that because you have a way more potential to the upside. And but the thing is that you get liquidated as long as you are preserving your capital in your trades, and you're learning from those mistakes, and you're saying, okay, like obviously that was not a good play. What did I do wrong? What was the thing that was invalidated that could have been changed or could have been done differently? So, and that's all with trading, is that as long as you can learn from your mistakes, you don't keep doubling down on the things that aren't working, then there you go. And I think that's with anything in life. If you keep doubling down on stuff that doesn't work, then you're obviously an idiot. I'm sorry. You got to make the adjustment, Like that's what distinguishes the people that are successful and who are not, is that they learn from their mistakes. They know that you're going to make mistakes and that it's okay to make mistakes, and you have to try stuff. Like people that are scared to get into trading are scared to evolve. If they're scared to get into trading, that means they're scared to get into other things in life. And if you can't take the risk and battle past those things that make you uncomfortable, you're never going to be successful. So you have to test out stuff. You have to learn from your mistakes, and you have to push forward. You have to. It's the only way. It's the only way. It's the only way, guys. Put a thumbs up in the chat if you agree with me. How many people we have? Okay, we have 10 people. We have 10 people in the live stream. We got 8 likes. Thank you guys so much for being in the live stream. Thank you for listening to my mouth, my clam trapping about trading. I honestly though, I love the journey that I'm on. I love the journey that other people are on. People are really putting themselves out there to make money and be successful. Like there's so many forces against us in this life to not be successful. So for any person to take a chance on getting their life leveling up and leveling up their finances and to try and make that money, salute to you guys. Salute to you guys. All right, so let's sail on Con Free does. I make a 10x in Pepe and spot. I start 7 months ago in Pepe. Yes. I should have been buying Pepe spot as well. it probably would have been a good play to just start DCAing into some of those plays like Pepe, because it was pushed down so much. I mean, you have to look at the Pepe chart on the daily. If you look at the daily, look at how it just was trading sideways like forever. I mean, it was just like here, everyone was like, It only had a couple of little breakouts here and there. It had one little breakout here to step it up, break it out here. And then this was just the ultimate breakout where we just like, we pushed heavy. So yes, there's going to be little retracements in the short term, but yeah. All right, so sale on Confritas is I took profits at 0.26 and bought again at 7.6. I mean, it's stupid, but I'm winning again. Yeah, that's the thing with spot. You know, when you start buying and DCAing in spot, like for instance, I've been spot and DCAing into XYO, and God, I wish I would have been DCAing a lot more. I'll tell you what, because we had a bull flag breakout. I mean, we've been basically the same thing. These charts, these charts of these altcoins look very similar because we've just had that long bear market trading sideways. You just DCA. You don't care what the price is during these points. You just DCA, because eventually, when we start to get that money flow and the thing back in the market, I mean, look at the MACD on here. Look at the MACD right here on this coin. When you start to see those breakouts, boom. Boom. It's just like, it's amazing. And you can clearly see when we start to see that histogram get a little skinnier and we start to see that green, those histograms on this XYO coin start to really pump. And so we're seeing that same thing happen here. Bull flag, trade sideways, another almost like a bull flag, but just with a little bit more retracement. And then we're seeing some major moves here. So we really want to, yeah, no problem. Yeah, we really want to start looking at the charts like this because it's just obvious patterns. And I made a killing on XYO, even just do my spot buys with just like 50 bucks here. And this is the thing, here's my strategy. When I make profits, I take my profits and I am putting them into things like XYO, because XYO, I believe, is going to be literally like this thing is going to be like a top 100, top 20 coin. I think this thing is going to be a top 20 coin. And this is just my personal belief. Like, I don't tell you guys to buy anything. I just say, watch out for this coin, because my language has to be really key, because I don't want anyone saying, well, Dano Crypto told me to buy this and he's blah blah blah, he told me this sucked. I'm not telling you, I just telling you to watch out for certain projects. And that's, I think, the best language I can give you guys. So then you can say, hey, you just told me to watch out for it, so maybe he's meant to watch out for it because it was going to dump or it was going to go up. I don't know. I have to do my own research. All right, so and then, yeah, see, Caspa. So I've been watching Caspa, and the Caspa is another one of those coins that you were like, okay, when is it going to stop? Is it going to stop? Is it going to keep going? Is it going to keep breaking these all-time highs? And it basically kept doing that. So if we look at Caspa on the, let's see, let's look at it on the weekly, and we want to look at it from where we started to, okay, Caspa came up in the game October 2022, at least trading on MEXC, and then breakout. Resistance, breakout, resistance, trading sideways, full breakout right here in November. And then we saw a retracement, bull flag, another breakout. Now we're on a retracement, but we're coming towards the middle. We're coming towards the middle of the Bollinger Band here. And yo, shout out to Barry BTC from Holland. Awesome. All right, so Sale on Confrita says, I'm going to post on Twitter that you're live talking about Pepe. Yes, because we need the Pepe community in here, because I am not fading Pepe. I've been talking about Pepe, and it looks like it might be forming another bull flag, possible. But you see how when we had that pump up here and then that retracement here, so you can see like, okay, previous data, then we have that same candles, it's very similar right here. So we could see a couple more red candles to move into that moving average here, right here into 11 cents. So we might want to watch for 11 cents in the short term for Caspa. If we want to look at, see, Caspa right now, even according to TradingView, is a sell. Is according to TradingView is a sell right here. So we might want to just kind of look at it. But if you're just DCAing, I mean, that's the thing. See, DCA, you don't care. You just DCA. You set a schedule, and you're like, this is when I'm going to buy it, and this is what I'm going to do. Or you're just like, your DCA plan is, hey, every time I get money, I put it in the market. Every time you get money, I put it in the market. But yeah, Caspa might be one of those sleeping giants. It could be. Let's look at, has Caspa even launched any like projects or any kind of smart contracty things on their chain? Like, do they have a working chain? Let's see. All right, so Caspa developments mining. So you can mine Caspa. So that I know about that. I know you can get a Caspa miner. So buy Caspa quickly. Let's see if we look at. Okay, so they have a web wallet. They have a desktop wallet. They have a Ledger Connect. These are the dApps. Manage trade, digital assets, a Zelcore, Tangent, store your crypto assets securely, accessible while having your private keys. Okay, Caspa key features, fastest transactions, instant confirmation, scalability, proof of work chain. Okay, so let's see how we can, if we wanted to be a Caspa miner. Caspa mining software, Caspa mining pool, so you can use amp pool, hash pool, mining research, profit calculator. Okay, yeah, so might get into Caspa mining, might be lucrative because we're still early. We're early in the game. Let me know, guys. Do we have any Caspa fans? Do we have any people that love Caspa? Put a thumbs up if you like Caspa. I know Caspa's just been cranking. It's been cranking. It's one of those where you're like, should I get in? Is it gonna stop? And then it just goes another 20%. It gives breaks another all-time high, and you're like, dang it. All right, 15 cents. Well, you have to look at, so if we wanted Caspa to go to $10 and it's at 14 cents and the market cap is at 3.3 billion, and the circulating supply is 22 billion. 22 billion. Total supply and the max supply is 28 billion. Total supply out and circulating supply is 22. So almost close to the whole supply is circulating. We'd have to do some math on that to see what the market cap would have to go to for it to go to $10. I mean, it would essentially have to what, 50x, I guess, or 10x to, or 20x, I guess, to get to $10 with Caspa. So then that would have the market cap to be like a $20 billion market cap or more. And it's ranked number 42. So that would put it in, you know, like say if it got towards Cardano and was pulling a Cardano. So yeah, so 26 billion. But at the same time, look at the tokenomics of this. The market cap is 26 billion and the circulating supply, the circulating supply is higher than Caspa, so it could be potential. Yeah, it could be the new Bitcoin, because it is proof of work. It is proof of work. It's looking like, when I was just reading into it, that it could be like a good early future, like say down the line, like you're 2027, you know, think you got to think like 5 years down the line. Like if you're really thinking Caspa's going to hit it, yeah, Caspa could be at 10, you know, if the supply and the supply and demand mechanisms and the tokenomics and all that kind of stay true, and there's not an increase in the supply, and it's just like you're mining it like you would Bitcoin. So then yeah, it would go up. it would naturally go up, because that's what we're seeing with Bitcoin right now. That's what we're seeing with Bitcoin right now. We're seeing, you know, essentially, I mean, yeah, why not? But remember, I can't tell you what to buy. Remember, just watch out for Caspa. Just check it out. You got to watch for it. All right, how many people do we have on Twitter right now? We have 5 people. So if you are watching on x.com, say what's up, because your comment will pop up on the screen like this, and it will let me know that you are watching from your phone, and I can know who are the regulars that are watching from the old X. All right, so, okay, so this is what we need to talk about. So we've talked about Nakamoto Games. We're invested in Nakamoto Games. The mobile app is launching here pretty soon, and I think that's going to be pretty crazy. So we're approaching the #1 spot on Telegram Gaming. Visit ton.app to dive in now. Yet we're just getting started. Next, we will launch our mobile app and reveal the industry's first AAA metaverse, NAKAverse 2, which applies all real-world economics. So I'm pretty bullish on this. I think if they really actually, I want to get early access. I've been in contacts with them, and I think if anything, I might be able to get early access to this metaverse, this NAKAverse, and I'll test it, guys, and I'll tell you. I'll give you the inside scoop if it's something that you need to be jumping on, because the fact that like we have all of these crypto gaming tokens and all these games, and some of them haven't even launched the game yet, and they're trying to speculate on things. But at least NAKA, some of the stuff that they are talking about, they are delivering and they're doing, and you can test it, and they have working games. So they even at least got that. But they have a good PR team. They're posting a lot, and I'm watching out for them. I'm watching out for it. So the fact that they're going to have that, I wonder if they can get that mobile app right. If they can get it right, that's going to be huge. That's going to be huge. I mean, the token already, if you just look at the token has gone up over 100%. It was in a cup and handle pattern. We broke basically expecting overshooting the cup and handle pattern. We were just, I think we posted on X that the last time I talked about NAKA and we posted the video on it, that the price was at $1.90. So price was at $1.90 at that point when I talked about it, and now it is sitting at $2.94. So are we going up into buying the rumors of the launching and then possible sell the event of the launch? I know that happens with a lot of projects. I know that happens with a lot of coins. But sometimes when the project can really deliver and the buying comes in, then we can speculate that things can go to prices as, say, what the all-time highs were for NAKA, which was $5, I believe, if we look at the all-time high. It was right when it was launched. Had 2 peaks. Double top, $5, double top, $5, and this was in November 2021, so this was right when all the altcoins were going absolutely insane. And now look, I'm telling you, all the charts look like this. So my small caps, my picks are like, I like Altura, I like BNB. BNB is not small cap, but I like the small caps on BNB, just like a few. I like Nakamoto Games. I like Metis. Metis is a good low cap. Phantom I wouldn't consider a low cap, but I think Phantom is going to do really well. STG is my low cap, a good low cap pick for me. XYO is still low cap because it is under $300 million market cap. And let's go into the portfolio. And actually, let's see how good the portfolio has been doing. I bet the portfolio has been doing absolutely smashing. So, Medieval Empires, another crypto game that I've tested. I've made a video on. I'm invested in the token. This has been doing very well. The thing that they remember about certain crypto tokens is if there's incentive to hold it and to buy it, and you get bonuses in the game for holding it and staking it, then the tokenomics are going to do very well, and the price will go up because people are going to want to sell it less. They're going to want to buy more to stake it and get bonuses and especially if it's an addictive game. Real-time strategy games have been addictive on computer since the 90s. I mean, people have been playing those games for years, and you got to remember, that's what is going to make the most money in this run is the gaming. And you have to think the good ecosystems with the good coins, good supply, good tokenomics, good team behind it will do well. So that's my low cap pick for the gaming. Orca is my low cap pick for dexes on Solana, and obviously you can go with Radium. And then I have Optimism and Arbitrum are good plays for layer 2s, and then STG for doing bridging, pools, all kinds of different DeFi kind of things that you'd like to do with multiple different chains, which Metis is one of those chains you can use in STG. So this is just to keep it simple because you don't want to get too crazy. I mean, like, you know, if you want to spread your bags to like 50 coins to 100 coins, it's too hard to keep up with all that. So what I like to do is just keep it simple and be like, okay, like, narrow it down to like 5 crypto gaming coins, narrow it down to 5 long-term hold coins, narrow it down to 5 AI, narrow it down to 5 DeFi, decentralized exchanges, and then just like keep it simple. Because even if one of those things hit a 20x or 100x, you're going to circumvent any losses that you get from all the other coins. And then say 2 of them hit, then you're really up. But say you invested $1,000 into 50 different coins, and then you hit one, yes, and then all those other 50 or 49 ended up staying exactly the same. It's just like, I guess what I'm saying is like I think your chances and average ratio of winning would be better in not being so spread. Some would disagree. Some would say, look, if I throw $1,000 into all the memes and throw $1,000 at each of these things, then, you know, then I'll be in the clear. And hey, you might be right. We all have different risk profiles and different risk strategies that we want to take. So it's all up to you guys. So sorry, I'm going to try and keep up with the chat. All right, hope you guys are doing well. Thanks for sticking in. Hope you're having a good Saturday. How many people do we have watching on the platforms? Okay, cool. So we got 8 people on X watching. I told you guys, if you want to send me a message, I'll see it. If you're watching on X, all you have to do is go into the live stream. You just click in the live, and you can go into the chat here right on the side and say, yo, yo, yo. Or you can say, what it do. That one's really funny too. All right, so let's see what's happening in the news right now. Let's see if we got any news going on, some bullish news, anything that we need to keep our eye on. According to Watcher.guru, BlackRock CEO says Bitcoin is digital gold and a great long-term store of value. I agree with that. All right, so let's see what's going on with Crypto Potato. Shout out to Crypto Potato. So Bitcoin stopped at 70K. Floki skyrockets to 111%. Yeah, Floki, I should have known. I've been playing the meme trend narrative, and if Doge was doing well, Pepe was doing well, SHIB was doing well, my butt should have known that Floki was going to be the next water trail into the next bucket, because that's just how crypto works. That's how crypto works. Oh, no problem. Yeah, shout out to Yazin Abraham saying thank you for your insights. Hey, if you think it's insights, then I'm doing something right. Shout out to you guys. If it wasn't for you guys watching and giving me your time, then this wouldn't be happening, guys. This wouldn't be happening. Shout out to Waterloo, probably one of the top 3 sparkling waters in the biz. I think Waterloo has probably it's not as burpy. You know, some sparkling waters you get that. You know, this one, you know, it doesn't make you burp too much. and we're feeling very patriotic. I'm tired. You know what? I'll tell you what. I'm tired of people saying you need to leave the U.S. by 2027. Why I'm leaving the U.S. by 20 blah blah blah. And it's like, I get it. I know there's like literally like 1 million, 2 million immigrants that are coming over into our country, and it's getting pretty crazy. It's getting pretty crazy. I don't even know how it's happening. It's pretty wild. But you know what? That's like, I'm sure you guys would relate to this. You're in your home country, and someone and all your people around you saying like, and are being very unpatriotic to your country, and they're saying everyone's gonna leave. You got to leave, and you're like, what the? Why are we all leaving? What? Don't we like our country? We're gonna fight for our morals and what we stand for, what we believe in, and it's just like that is sometimes now I feel like a way of manipulating the American mind and the American way of thinking, because oh yeah, it is yeah, it's not even political. It's just like it's this crazy, guys. You gotta watch out for the psychological warfare that's happening. You gotta watch out for it. It's a big rant, guys, because that doesn't even have to do with, it has to do with a lot of things. It has to do with crypto, money, control, all that stuff. Everything. Think people are so manipulated into so many different things, and really we want to all just love each other. We all just want to love each other. We just want to love each other. Telling you guys, it really is crazy. It's crazy. People are like, let's leave the US. I'll leave the US when it really gets bad. When it really gets bad. Yeah, it's crazy. It's like, really, ultimately, I think if you, this is the thing. If you put kids from all different places in the world, like small children, like 4-year-olds, 5-year-olds, and you put them in a room, and you put them in a room, in a playroom, let's say like a playground, they would all naturally play and get along. I don't think there would be any kind of like cultural barrier. Like they would probably end up starting to play some kind of game or tag or something. Maybe there'd be a little bit of competition, maybe some little something, but naturally I think they would work together and they would like each other. And that's what I think ultimately could be with how we interacted with each other in the world. But there are people in certain groups that don't have that same type of thought process. They have some type of interesting complex of control, and we know that there's systems of control in this world, and that honestly, that's why we're in crypto. We're in crypto because it's a way out. It's a way out. Yeah, really? Oh, yeah. It's interesting. Yeah, I mean, because, yeah, I could be totally wrong. That's the thing. I'm willing to admit if I am wrong, and if there's data and there's all this stuff to back it, I will 100% check it out, because I'm sure, yeah, they probably have tried it, and they're like, nope, they still hate each other. They're like, nope, we still hate each other. It's never going to work. That's why there's, but it's, it is what it is. But crypto is supposed to be cross-border. Crypto is cross-border. That's why actually people like Bitcoin. This is why people like Bitcoin, because Bitcoin doesn't have a government. It doesn't have any like country that's promoted it as theirs. That like, we created Bitcoin, so you have to follow our way of thinking. It's supposed to be completely not tied to any type of institution. So that's why I think Bitcoin is as revolutionary as it is. All right, let's see how many people I lost by ranting about stuff. Oh, not that many. Okay. All right. I was about to say we come back and I literally was just at concurrent viewers of 0 because I started not getting like political, but You have to watch it, guys, because people get offended really, really fast, and I don't want to offend anyone. But that's almost nearly impossible nowadays to not offend anyone. I really want to just like, I'm telling, like my philosophy, I guess like the way that I am is I like to be, I'm an Aquarius, and I am a zoom out kind of person. I'm not extreme one way or the other, and I like to try and be in the middle. So then it's the best way that you can decipher between which direction you want to go. And that's kind of my philosophy. And the older that I've gotten, if I really train that and hone into that skill, it'll help me with a lot of different things. And sometimes you can be your own worst enemy, and those things that are a part of who you are can either hurt you or help you. And it's all on how you can decipher the things that are really actually helping you and the things that make you who you are, and build up on those. It's like life is a game. Life is a video game that you can level yourself up with and get experience points and boss battles. And if you've ever played a video game, your ass has been handed to you. I'm sure you played a video game where you got beat a million times. You got beat up, smashed, and you were like, ugh, and you kept trying it and you kept beating it, and then finally you beat the boss. You beat that quest, you beat that side quest, you got the whatever, you got the sword, whatever it is, and you felt that feeling in your head, that feeling in your body, those tingles, all that stuff. Like if you can translate that into life, real life, it's the same damn thing. It's the same thing. And so it's like playing the Matrix. You have to break out of the Matrix. That's why we have this. That's why we have this background. It's a good reminder that when you get in the ship and you get in your helm and you finally like unplug, you start to feel more free. And that's the last thing any system of control. It doesn't matter who's trying to control you or whatever it is. I don't even care. I don't even want to give it a name. Something's trying to control you. So are you going to make the decision to have that thing not control you anymore and break free? Morning from Texas, in the heart of Texas. I always have to say that when people are from Texas. What's going on, Straith Cloud? In the heart of Texas. I've been to Texas many times, and I've always had a blast when I've gone to Texas. Shout out to Texas. I've played South by Southwest with one of my bands. I have experienced a little bit of the city. I've experienced the outskirts of Texas. Near El Paso, some wild stuff. Yeah, let's make some money. Let's make some money, guys. Let's see what Bitcoin's doing right now. Is Bitcoin still trading a little bit sideways? Let's see, because yeah, it's great. I think Bitcoin trading sideways right now is great. I think it's awesome. It gives altcoins an opportunity to catch up, and that's what we want. We want the altcoins to catch up. Well, I'm not. Well, here's the thing. Like, I'm not because that's what you got to listen to what I say, because I said I'm in the middle, so then I can make a choice of which direction I want to go. So that doesn't mean I stay in the middle. So what it really means is like I like to take all sides, and then I also have my own morals and ethics and things that I like to stand by, and as the person that I am, and then that's the kind of, so I guess you could say I'm probably like probably conservative, more kind of libertarian. Like I'm very family centric. I'm very like, I try and be as nice as possible, but also like I can be hard when I need to be hard. So what's going on, Brucey? Morning and evening, sir. Morning to you. Sorry, I've been just like I've been trying to keep up with the chat. I'm trying not to scare people away, because I know how sometimes you start getting on those rants, you start getting on those things, and people are like, I'm out. I almost started crying on the last live stream because I started talking about kids and kids suffering in the world, and I was like, oh, I can't talk about this because I'm gonna start getting upset. And it's sad, It's sad. I think that's probably that's a real hard soft spot for me, is like when you see kids suffering or kids that need help, and or you know, kids abandoned or getting dealt a bad hand, and whatever their family situation is, because it's like that. It's just like, man, the kids are the most important thing. Like the kids are what is going to build the future. So it's like the kids are damaged, like your future is damaged. And so that's what I worry about the most in this world. And I'm sure you guys have different views on what you worry about the most too, and what you have your priorities for. But it changes once you have kids. Something clicks. For some reason it doesn't for some people, but it clicked with me, and I was like, oh my God, you know, so important, so important. So any opportunity you guys get to protect kids or help children out, do it. Do it. You'll not regret it. You will not regret it. Or if you've ever thought about having kids, raising kids, and you feel like you're equipped to do so, do it. I won't tell you to buy anything, but I'll tell you that the one thing that taught me the most in this life is having a kid, is having a child. They will teach you so much. They will grow your ass up fast. Oh, yeah. It's just the moment you it doesn't matter where you are, the moment you feel like your kids are at risk, you better fight. You better fight. Fight for your kids. You fight for your kids' protection, because that's the most important thing. It's the most important thing. If there's anything you get out of the stream today, that right there, that's the message. People have to stand up for what is right, you know? Sometimes you got to be the angel, you know? Sometimes you got to be the angel, you know? It takes people being the angel to lift up someone in a bad spot. Oh, I hope you are, Brucey. I hope you are blessed. I hope you are blessed with kids, because, man, I tell you, kids are like being on a psychedelic trip. You go through these emotions of the highest highs and sometimes super low, anxiety, worry, and then blissful moments, stressful moments. I mean, it's just such a journey that it cannot be described enough until you feel it. Like, you have to feel it. And so, yeah, I hope like, whatever your situation is, I don't care who I like, because I'm not against any type of people who are like, you know, whatever you're into, whoever you date, however you want to have kids, you know, like, I just hope that experience happens for you, you know. It is. It's priceless. It's priceless. Like, it's like, I'm doing this. I'm doing crypto because I want to take care of her. You know, I want to take care of my family. You know, I want to make sure that she gets in the best schools. I want to make sure she can eat the best food. Like, you know, like, your whole mindset changes. Your whole mindset changes. You know, it's like, let me know, guys, in the chat if you agree with me, if you have kids and you feel the same way. This is Dano Crypto doxing his feelings live on stream. You know, a lot of what I do like to talk about and what my background is really like spiritual mindset and really alchemy. I don't talk about it a lot, but really it's kind of it's a hidden skill and gem of mine, knowing about the world of alchemy and magic, and blending that with my relationship with God. It's been helping me out a lot. All right, so let's look at the trades. Let's see if our trades are doing well. I want to make sure that we are going to take some profits where we might want to take some profits. Oh, of course. Let's go. But that's the thing. That's the thing. You start learning about an Aquarius, we're on all fronts. We're on all fronts. We know about the politics. We know about the system. We know about the matrix. We know about the occult. We know about the things that you need to test. The thing about alchemy is that you have to experiment. You have to know that it is a process of experimenting. You are using the true laws of nature to benefit your life with intentional purpose. So that's the whole key, is like it takes some time, sometimes a long time to learn, because you go through those periods where you have to get hit hard and learn the lesson like hard. Like, damn, you're like, damn, life, why are you lifing me so hard right now? I don't want to get lifed hard right now, but it's necessary. It's called being through the crucible. It's going through the fire. And when you go through that fire, what happens? What is pulled out? What's pulled out of that fire is a shiny sword that you can go slice through your progression in life to get through that next level. Then I'm telling you the sauce right now, guys. I'm telling you the sauce. This is the sauce that's going to make you profitable in your life, is doing this. Because it's just, you have to know that there's lows, highs, just like the prices, just like the charts. Just like the charts, you got lows, highs. Not everything goes up forever. Not everything goes down forever. All depends on what direction you want your energy to go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Clip all that stuff that I've been saying in this live stream. I mean, you could probably clip about 700 different things that I just said today in this live stream, guys. You can clip the shit out of it. Clip the shit out of this live stream. Well, when I'm feeling it, Brucey, I'm feeling it, and I just gotta get it out. All right, Alex Becker's putting out new videos. What is he talking about? Oh, I see LimeWire. Oh, I forgot. I have LimeWire in my portfolio. I bought a little bit of LimeWire. Looks like he's got Render, Pal, Chain GPT, the Graph, Kosh Network. Okay, there you go. All right, there you go. You don't even have to watch the video. There you go. He's talking about those. He's talking about LimeWire, Chain GPT, the Graph, Kosh Network, Render, Pal Network. Yeah, there you go. And then if you want to watch it, go for it. I'll probably watch it too. That was the quickest Alex Becker video review on the internet. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Guys, if you're in this live stream, you haven't hit the like button, if you haven't hit the subscribe button, if you're new to the community, be sure to go into the Discord. Guys, the Discord, what I'm not understanding is that you guys are not verified. You gotta verify yourself. Like, go in the damn Discord and verify yourselves. You have to verify. I put you guys all in the unverified section as your role. There's like 30 something of you in here in this. No, Becker's hilarious. Yeah, I mean, a lot of us have probably seen Becker's videos before he was even really talking about crypto. I'm just talking about business and building online businesses and stuff. The thing that you have to really realize, like, understand those, like, Becker, Becker's still young. Becker's only like, he's 30, I think he's 35, 36. I'm 34. We're very similar age. But the difference is that for about the past 10 years, he's really been grinding on those online businesses. He's really been very successful with kind of multiple different funnels of cash, and obviously used with, okay, Yazin Abrahams. I have 4 kids. May God bless and protect our kids. Yes, shout out to Yazim. Awesome, dude. 4 kids, dude. Do you sleep? Do you sleep? Because I know how it is just having 1 kid. But I guess some people say once the 4th or the 3rd kid comes in, it's just like the other 2 just like raise the other 2. You're just like, yeah, help them do that. Teach that one how to walk. Teach that one how to walk. We got to deal with this one's emotions right now. Sorry. All right, but guys, you have to get into verification. So please verify yourself. You have to go here, verify yourself. So then when I go and I look at the members here and I can see who is verified. Because now I think I can add roles to these people who are now verifying themselves because they're out of the unverified section. And you will be a dojo member right here. So verify yourself so I know you're not a bot. And come in and post some memes you're more than welcome to come and hang out in chat in the section here. And also, you can post your best trade screenshots and show off your P&L if you've followed any of my calls. That would be amazing. I would love that. Thank you guys so much. All right, so we got 17 likes. Thank you so much. And let's see how many people are watching in X. So we've actually been, oh, amazing. We've had 10 people watching on X, and we have 10 people watching on YouTube. So total, we got 20 viewers watching. Thank you guys so much. I'm loving the new kind of format here, my new setup. I'm kind of getting better on the flow. We're just trying to get better here. No. Actually, no, I have not. Satoshi Nakadodo. These names are the best. There was one, it was like a crypto, what was it, a Teletubby, Vicious Teletubby. I love Vicious Teletubby. Shout out to Vicious Teletubby. But no, I've never had any issues withdrawing. I've actually never had any issues withdrawing from MEXC. And I haven't had any issues withdrawing from BITFLEX either. This is the thing. I like using exchanges that work and don't give me any issues. So I will say this is true transparency here. MEXC, no issues. BITFLEX, no issues. LBANK, I've only had one issue where I feel like they lost some of my BTC that I transferred. But other than that, LBANK, pretty good. So I would say top exchanges, and also if you Coinbase and crypto.com are pretty good with their transactions, and they do have support. So and honestly, to be honest, the MEXC support and the BITFLEX support on these exchanges are actually way better than Coinbase. Like, they get back to you quicker. Their live chat is super quick. So it's like, I'm so surprised that like with Coinbase is with, you know, more of a known name, and they have sometimes kind of shitty customer service. So, but a lot of these, you know, you really want to get someone who's actually going to give you a true live agent. So, but no, I've never had any issues. I think the network support's good. And what I've been doing recently is sending a lot. I've sent USDC on Solana because it gets super quick, gets in there super quick. And oh my gosh, guys, this is why I'm starting to really like Metis. I've sent a Metis trend, so I've been DCAing into Metis too. So I've been buying a little bit of Metis spot, and Metis spot. I sent Metis from MEXC to my MetaMask. That thing was like it got in my wallet in 2 seconds. 2-second transaction. Boom. People keep saying they're the fastest, blah, 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 blah. I'm like, Metis, guys, is actually the fucking fastest layer 2 that excuse my language, is the fastest transaction speed I've ever seen. And the ecosystem is huge. I mean, they got an Aave, they're on Aave. You got Hummus, you got Hermes, you got decentralized protocol trading here. Let's go to display capture because I want to show you guys what I'm actually in, because I'm in a Metis long on Tethys. That is a perpetual decentralized contract. So, ETH from Binance into Base. Oh yeah, Base. So yeah, I'm sure Base. So I haven't even used Base yet. I got to start getting into Base DeFi. Yeah, guys, Coinbase obviously has Base. It's layer 2, and there's going to be, there's a meme on Base too that's doing really well. You guys got to help me think of it. What is it? There's a meme that's on Base right now that is actually doing well. Window capture. Oh no, I need this one off. Okay. Let's see. Let's look at Base. Oh, probably should just go to Dex Tools. Let's go to Dex Tools. DexTools.io. And verify you are human. Negative. I am a meat popsicle. Okay. Shout out to you guys if you know what that quote was from. What was that from? Oh, Brett. Yeah, it's Brett. Yeah, that's what it is. Brett. All right, let's look at Base. Is it? Oh, of course. And then you got baby Brett there. Of course, you can't sleep on when things start going. Dancing Wolf. No. Negative. I am a meat popsicle. What is that from? There is, okay, so base, let's see, Brett. Yeah, Brett is at 1 cent right now. All right, so let's check Brett. Let's check Brett. Brett has a total 24-hour volume of 1.2 mil, almost 10,000 holders. Liquidity 1.6 mil, market cap 195 million. Let's look at the chart. Okay, we had a bit of a we've had one dump here. Nice move up, retrace. Looks like we're, I mean, if we're looking at the direction of like what we've done here, could be retesting that 2 cents level. And then we want to mark the chart here. Yeah. So Brett could still be pushing some heat on base. Pushing some heat on base. We're getting some people buying. $1,000 here, $1,000 there. Let's see if we can let's see the biggest buys. Oh, okay, we got Big Whale, sell 36,000. Big sell right there. But if you're looking at this chart, not looking too bad, not looking too bad. All right, we're getting some people dropping off. We're getting people dropping off. Let's see if we can get to 20 likes. Let's see if we can get to 20 likes. How long have we been live streaming for? We've been live streaming for forever now, I think. We lost track. We lost track of time. We just got talking. We got talking. Let's see what, like, where are we at right now? Where are we at right now? Oh, is Crypto Banter Plus, okay, they're live streaming. Okay, 7,000 people. Okay. Oh, and then we got Millie's live streaming. We might have to just pop into Millie's live stream. Let's just, we might end up doing that. We might just go and hijack Millie's live stream. All right, we're gonna hijack Crypto Millie's live stream.
They shield some things on their Twitter. Oh, here we go. Hey, and you can see this is cabling around our community, right? The hood. Nonprofit dedicated to local neighborhoods around the globe. This is what they aim to do. Now, they have to execute. This is what it.
All right, let's see. NPC. It wouldn't let me say what one put. Oh, did you? YouTube bot. What did you try and say? It wouldn't let you say what? Your prior 3 posts. Oh, what? Okay, are you in the Discord? Brucey, go in the Discord. Go in the Discord, Brucey, and post those prior 3 posts in the Hangout and chat. Go in the Discord, and yeah, post those 3 messages. I want to see what the YouTube, because I don't have any bots running on my chat. So that's interesting. Or maybe, oh, huh. Interesting. Yeah, you gotta post it. Crazy. All right. Still getting some sideways, just some side lining on Bitcoin. Yeah, it's so weird. So is it, well, did it let you at all now, or is it still not letting you? Yeah, YouTube's weird. YouTube is weird. YouTube does some weird stuff. They do some weird stuff. All right. Doing good on the trades. Doing good on the trades. All right, nice. All right, it's good. I was like hoping we were going to start seeing some more break to the upside for Doge, because I'm telling you guys, don't listen to people that are like, oh, Doge is old. Doge is old. Don't fade the original dog coin that Elon's literally going to post about for X payments, and then you're going to be like feeling really, really left out. All right, let's see. It was just me asking you to check out that alt on base called NPC. Oh, that was so weird. Yeah, and it just blocked it. That's very strange that it blocked NPC. I was like, don't talk about non-player characters on YouTube, or I'll censor your ass. All right. So we are 115% in profit. You can see we've been trading the crap out of Doge. The thing that really makes me upset, though, about Doge is that I kind of jacked up my buy limit orders a little bit on my Doge trade. I actually had an entry on Doge at 8 cents. 8 cents, guys. 8 cents, which was an entry right here, like crazy entry. Right before the breakout was right. Man, where was that buy? God, yeah, right here, just 8 cents right before the breakout, and I would still be up massively in that profit if I would just have held the trade. But what I ended up doing is putting in buy orders because I was getting so bullish. I was like, look, I want to start buying more. I want to buy more, and I started doubling down. I was like, yeah, let's buy some more, and then I screwed up and got liquidated on the trade when it wicked really hard when Bitcoin wicked to like 60,000. So, but you can see here that Doge is pushing and wants to get back up into that 20 cent resistance level. But we're going to see what happens when we get to the top of the band, because we already traded into the middle of the band, and then we traded up. Now we're back in the middle, hitting the moving and trading above the moving average. And then now we're going to see a test of 19 cents. So immediate short-term test, Doge, 19 cents. If you are not experimenting with trading and watching the Doge chart is actually a very tradable chart. It's got really good key level moves, especially when you see those breakouts, and now it's just a good tradable coin, I personally think. Good tradable coin. All right, thank you guys for being in the live stream. Good, yeah, that's smart. You'd want to have a little Doge. You want to have a little bit of Doge. If you're in crypto and you don't have Doge in your wallet, then you are not doing crypto right. And I would maybe go as far as to say the same thing with PEPE. Same thing with PEPE. I might buy PEPE right now, spot, just because. Let's just do it. Let's do it. Let's buy some spot PEPE. We got to transfer some funds. Let's transfer some funds. Let's buy $50 of PEPE. Spot. Let's go PEPE. Oh, look, we got baby. There's so many PEPEs. All right, so let's make sure this is the right PEPE. Let's go, let's trade PEPE, USDT. And, yep, 8674. Let's make sure that's the right price. 867. Yep, okay. So we're good. That's the right PEPE. And we're just going to buy $50, buy some PEPE. Bada bing, bada boom. All right. So we got some spot PEPE. Spot PEPE bought at 8687. So it's good actually because we're buying it on a dip. So it's good that we're buying it on a little bit of a dip. We didn't buy it at the top, we're buying it on the dip. So we're buying it on the dip, guys. You're seeing me trade live. You're seeing me put the stuff in. You're seeing me reveal my mistakes. This is where you're gonna get the most alpha, is in someone revealing the mistakes. What's happening here? We're losing a little bit of the internet here for some reason. I don't know why. Did we come back? Oh gosh, man. Sorry guys. My internet, I just completely dropped signal. I don't know what happened, but I completely dropped signal, and I think we kept some people, but I think we went long enough, guys. So I think that's probably a sign that I needed to stop streaming. But if you didn't hit the like button coming in or hit it on the way out, that would be amazing. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Thank you so much. You guys are the best. And yeah, happy trading. Happy trading. Let me know, guys. Do you want to stay for a little bit longer? Do you want me to stay for a little bit longer? Do a little Q&A? Q&A? And we can go for another couple minutes, and I can answer some questions, and we can just see what's going on. We can see what's going on. So we are back. We are back. You bought some Pepe too? Sorry, I probably started a Pepe buy train. Everyone was like, let's buy some Pepe. Let's go. Yep. Awesome. Cool. All right. Bought some Pepe. Cool. Yep. Bought some Pepe. It's, wow. Oh, MPC. Yeah, let's check it out. So, is it on CoinMarketCap, MPC? Is it this coin right here? Pepe's participation in Fortnite? No, I don't really follow Fortnite, so I don't really follow Fortnite. So I'll have to check that out. If this is the coin, this is super low cap. And we got a contract on base. Okay, so this is the one, yep, on base. And let's look at the... Ooh, looks like we got a nice little butt, nice little butt cheek, like wham. Little retracement, had two nice tests of some local highs here at 0.002 and then 0.003, retrace back into the test levels of the recent high. Any bullish news? Is it on any centralized exchanges? No, you have to swap it on the Uniswap or Sushi Swap. Okay, so it's a meme coin and NFT hybrid for all 8+ billion humans on Earth. I support the current coin is the motto, an homage to the meme that first gained in popularity in 2018. Okay. All right, yeah. Keep it on the radar. Keep it on the radar. All right, how many people did we get back? Okay, we got some people back. Thank you guys for tuning in and giving me your time. The fact that you're giving me any of your time today is very valuable. Your time is valuable, so thank you very much. And be sure to let yourselves be known in the Discord. Let me know that my Discord is even working. I haven't had anyone message inside the Discord as of late, and I need to see if it's working. See if you have access. See if what I did is actually... see if it's working. That would be great. All right, should we be taking some profits on Doge right now since we are up 100%? I think this is usually when I like to take I like to still take some profits off the table. And yeah, that's what we might do. That's what we might do. And then we're just going to leave it open and let the rest ride. Would have been nice to let it ride at 8 cents. That's for damn sure. All right, guys. Well, I am going to end the live stream. Thank you so much for being here with me. Happy Saturday. Hope you have a good Sunday tomorrow. And see you guys in the next one. Peace out.